Hello, welcome aboard. Please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chef Ingrid Alliance Constant. And today in the kitchen, we are going to be making the Asian patties dough recipe. It's easy, simple. You don't have to complicate it. Okay, I'm washing my hands to make sure that everything is clean around. Please go ahead and invite one of your friends or family to subscribe also to this channel. In this recipe, we're gonna use flour, water, salt, baking powder. It's optional. You might not want to use it. Oil. The oil is gonna give a little bit of texture and moisture to the dough, which is good. But you can also try not to add it. So this recipe is the basic dough recipe in our cuisine. Again, it's an authentic Asian recipe. Please follow through and then you will see all the steps easy, simply. You don't have to be stressed about it. Please, once again, follow the YouTube channel so you can see all the beautiful recipe that I'm going to be sharing with you on this channel here. Flour, yes. Salt, and we are going to dissolve the salt into the water. Yes, everything is measured. Easy recipe. You can make it at home for your family. You can even use this recipe